Hi, welcome back to my channel. I'm Kitsamus and we're now on to bag 10. So that means we're fitting the motor. So the motor I've got is this little hobby wing. It's a V10 G3 XE run 8.5 turn. I've run this before in my YZ2 and it's pretty quick. So we put the motor into the motor plate. I'm just going to move the stand out of the way and turn the car on its side. So what we want to do is we want to make sure that we locate the M3 by 8 button head screws. I'm just going to make sure that they actually go into one of the threaded holes on the motor. That's got that one in. So the motor's held there now, that's good. Get the next one, I'll get this on a nut driver, so it's a little bit more fiddly. And yeah, that looks like the one we're going for. There we go, and I've actually got into a screw, which is good. So I can bring my car stand back in, and then we're going to put the pinion on. I'm using a 23 turn pinion based on the 78 tooth spur gear. I've looked up the final drive ratios, and for this hobby wing motor and for the ESC that I'm going to be using, it recommends final drive ratio of between 8.5 and 9.5, and this will give me a final drive ratio of 8.8. Don't want to teach anyone how to suck eggs, but I'm sure we've all made this mistake before. When screwing the pinion on, make sure you tighten the grub screw down onto the flat of the motor shaft. Like I say, I'm sure we're all aware of this, but I'm also sure that we've all made this mistake just by being in a rush and forgetting things. There we go. With the pinion tightened down onto that shaft, I'm just going to turn the buggy over again, and we're just going to get the mesh set. Now I'm just going to eyeball it in, but normally what I tend to do is just put a sheet of normal printer paper folded over in half so it's double thickness, and just put that between the spur gear and the pinion just to get the right mesh. But I'm fairly happy that I've got that right, and there we go. Motor's fitted. Just looking at the position of my motor wires there, it may be that I need to rotate it round another hole, but we'll see when it comes to fitting the ESC. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.